Hello everyone, Dan Sands here, and today I'm going to show you how to download your channel art or banner, whatever it is. And let me just say, I'm not one of those like foreigners on YouTube that are just like advertising something. I don't know. This actually works, and it's May 2018. I'm doing this, so it's a new way to do it. Now, this is how you do it. Okay. And I'm sure by the time you've seen this video, you're really tired and you're just desperate to get it right. So let me tell you how. Okay, so what you want to do is click on your channel banner, right click on view page source, and then control F, and then type in DEV. And once you typed in DEV, click on the down arrow a few times. Go one more time. And once you see this, it'll look like a lot like this with a bunch of links down here. Right click on the second one, not the first one, but the second one. The first one is just the actual image, and it'll be like all cropped and stuff. Like, let me just show you. So open image, a new tab. And you can see that it's just the cropped image, like the actual image here, and not even that. This is not what we want. What we want is the second one. If you right click, and there you go. It's the full image. It's in its full quality. So, when you like let's say you're trying to, use this for Twitter or something, like make this your Twitter banner. The quality ain't going to be like 144p or some crap or something very off. I don't know, horrible quality there is, but this is legit quality. I could set this to my desktop background and it'll look all nice and stuff. Like, all you have to do is just drag this over, and you can just actually click on it. You can see that the quality is good. Not know how it is when you download a really bad quality image. It's like super small and stuff. Like, no, this is a legit good quality image, and that is how you download your channel banner, or just any channel banner in general. There should be no reason this doesn't work. I'm on Google Chrome, I believe. Yep, making sure. Whatever. Yeah, this should have worked for you, and if not, that sucks. Like, legit, I'm one of those people that are like, they were looking up a ton of videos and none of them worked. I'm one of those people that look in the comment section. It's like, oh great, it's worked for other people, but not for me. Not for me, but whatever. That is how you download your channel banner, and you can actually use it for other stuff, or just whatever in general. But for now, as always, thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And don't forget to share.